Hi Turbo Girl. Today we're going to learn numbers in order or position.
I know how to count from 1 to 10. But what are numbers in order or position?
Turbo Girl, don't worry. I will tell you later what I mean by numbers in order or position. Before doing that, let's look at this picture. Turbo Boy and 9 other people are in the queue at the cashier. Can you tell me how many people there are altogether?
Yes, there are 10 people queuing altogether.
Correct. When we talk about numbers in order or position, we are actually talking about where an object or person is. Now tell me where exactly is Turbo Boy in the queue?
I can't tell.
That's why we're going to learn about numbers in order or position so that we can tell position using numbers.
Okay, let's start the lesson.
I'm going to teach you 5 numbers in order. They are first, second, third, fourth, and fifth.
Can you give me an example of them?
Look at this picture. Let's begin to count from the person who is the nearest to the cashier. Eileen is the first person in the queue. Bobby is the second person in the queue. Christy is the third person in the queue. Deepak is the fourth person in the queue. And Effendi is the fifth person in the queue. Now, here are 5 sentences describing the 5 people. Can you tell the position of each of them?
Okay, I will try, teacher. F-I-R-S-T. The first person in the queue has a ponytail. S-E-C-O-N-D. The second person in the queue has a mustache. T-H-I-R-D. The third person has a basket. F-O-U-R-T-H. The fourth person wears spectacles. F-I-F-T-H. The fifth person wears a tie.
Good job, Turbo Girl.
Haha, now I am able to write and read these 5 numbers in order. What about the positions after fifth?
They are S-I-X-T-H. Fatima is the 6th person in the queue. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. George is the 7th person in the queue. E-I-G-H. T-H. Kyler is the 8th person in the queue. N-I-N-T-H. Lalitha is the 9th person in the queue. T-E-N-T-H. Turbo Boy is the 10th person in the queue. Turbo Girl, can you remember these 5 new words?
I believe I can make it, as these numbers in order look like counting numbers. Teacher, I noticed that all of them end with the letters TH, so it's rather easy to remember them.
Glad to hear that. I have also made a table for you to bring home. In this table, you can see all the numbers in order you have learnt and their short forms. Here it is.
What are the uses of these short forms?
Most of the time, we use the short forms in place of the words. It is not difficult to remember. For first, we add ST after number 1. For second, we add ND after number 2. For third, we add RD after number 3. As for the others, we just have to add TH after the numbers.
Oh, yep, teacher. The short form is simpler in writing.
You have learned what numbers in order are. Are you able to find out an object's position now?
No problem, teacher.
How many cars are there before the traffic light?
10.
Which car is in the 7th position?
The black car.
What about the car in the 9th position?
It is a green car. There is also another green car which is in the 6th position.
Well said. Now tell me the color of the car in the 4th position in the row.
It's a red car.
Another question for you. What is the color of the car in the 3rd position?
Blue car.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Before we go on, can you tell me your hand's positions?
Okay. This is my first hand and that is my second hand.
You're not wrong in saying that. But Turbo Girl, we also normally describe this as left hand and this as right hand.
Are the words left and right also used for an object's position?
Yep, look at this picture. This is left side and that is right side.
Oh yes, now I understand, teacher.
Okay, can you tell me the rabbit's position in this picture?
Let me see. I think there are two answers to this question. First, second, third. The rabbit is in the 3rd position from the left. But if I count from the right, first, second, third, 4th. The rabbit is in the 4th position now.
Well done! We have actually spotted that there are two possibilities to the answers after I have taught you about left and right. Now, what about the position of the elephant from the left?
The elephant is in the 5th position from the left.
Which animal is the 3rd from the right?
It's horse.
Turbo Girl, how many plates are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Teacher, there are 6 plates altogether.
That's right, Turbo Girl. What about the color of the plate in the 3rd position from the left?
First, second, third. The 3rd plate is red.
Can you tell me how many pairs are there in the red plate?
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pairs in the red plate.
Very good. Now tell me how many fruits are there in the 5th plate, counting from the right?
The 5th plate from the right is blue. There are 3 apples and 2 oranges in that plate. Am I right, teacher?
Well done, Turbo Girl. Now let's move on to the activity. It's almost the end of the lesson. Turbo Girl, tell me something about this lesson.
Today, I have learnt 10 numbers in order of position. They are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. I can even write out the short forms. I also know that left and right are used for an object's position. For example, the rabbit is in the 4th position from the right, and the elephant is in the 5th position from the left.
What else have you learnt, Turbo Girl?
I can also count how many objects in the identified position, like there are 4 pairs in the 3rd plate from the left.
Well said, Turbo Girl. That's all for today's lesson. Bye!